What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another 2-minute tutorial. Clearly in today's tutorial, we're making an RGB separation inside of Premiere Pro, so let's get started, no time to waste. So once you're in Premiere Pro, you have your footage, you want to duplicate this twice. So I have my footage on my first track, hold Alt on a PC or Option on a Mac, you click and drag it up while holding Alt or Option. So now I have 3 layers of video. Now, what we're going to do is actually go into our effects inside of Premiere Pro, type arithmetic, and then drag that onto each one of the layers of footage. Now open up your effect controls, go into your first layer, go into the arithmetic option, change the operator to max, red value all the way up. Go to the second layer right here, arithmetic to max, green value all the way up. And then go to the last layer, arithmetic, max, and blue value all the way up. Now take the top 2 values and change the blending mode to linear dodge add, and the second layer to linear dodge add. Now you have your original image, but if you separate them on the position, you can actually take the motion and move the red to the left and grab the blue at the bottom and move it to the right. So now you have that RGB separated looking thing that you can play around with. And that's how you do it. It's super simple, have fun. You can keyframe the position keyframes to move back and forth, like start at 0, move right, move back, like a little glitch effect. Super simple, but that's for another day. Now, an even easier way to do this is to download the Red Giant Universe plugin and use the trial to use their cool effects. You can pay for it if it's really awesome, but try the trial out, super easy. So in our effects, we can type in RGB, drag on universe separation, and use the radius to change the thing. It's a plugin, super simple, try it out. So that is your 2-minute tutorial for today. As always, I'm Max. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you like me, subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.